Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is October 26, 2019. This is my 8th episode about linear algebra and threading building block. This episode continues from our previous episode, so please double click this link. If you haven't watched this video, please watch it. Also, from this episode, download source code from our previous episode. Show in folder, unzip the downloaded file, rename the file 08 matrix 2, right click, rename the file, fix like this. Now copy the folder, paste it to your working folder. In my case, this folder, paste it. Now start Visual Studio Code, open your working folder. From File Explorer, double click Matrix 2D. I will add one more macro here. In this section, if def msvc len and if end over paste like this. Define TBB suppress deprecated messages. Now scroll down. In the public section, inline bool empty, constant no except, return this no rows not equal to 0. Because if row count is equal to 0, that means it is empty. It should not be 0. Copy once again, paste, not empty. In this case, it should be 0. Now scroll down, move constructor, matrix 2D, matrix 2D, right hand side, m rows, right hand side, m rows, m columns, right hand side, m columns, m array, std, move, right hand side. Don't forget right hand side, invalidate. Do not forget this line. Now move assignment, matrix 2D, operator, matrix 2D, right hand side, if this not equal std, address of right hand side, and the right hand side should not be null, not empty. Then this m array, std move, right hand side, m array. This m rows, right hand side, m rows. This m columns, right hand side, m columns. Right hand side, invalidate. Don't forget this. Do not forget this line. Okay? Now, in this file, linear algebra, I will copy this class header, copy in linear algebra, paste it here in this class, string, operator, string, OS, matrix, 2D, element type, container type, allocator type, constant, matrix, fixed like this. M. If M empty, OS will return blank file, else for in this file we will add one more size t index space constant no except return 0. In this file auto I equals m index space I m rows plus plus I for auto j m index space j less than m columns plus plus j os m. We need to define operator here. Template, type name, index type, value type, operator, index type, row, index type, column, no except. No, I will delete this part. If debugging equal 1, else, and if debugging, we defined this macro in our previous session. I will paste it here. Equal 1, it means it is in debugging build. In case of debugging build, I will create two member function in the private section. Bool valid row range template type name index type row return row should be greater than or equal to 0 and row should be less than this m row. Inline, I will copy once again, paste. I will change it row range valid. If row range is to be valid, this row index should be greater than 0 and should be less than row count. Is column range valid? Column should be greater than 0. Column should be less than columns. It can be constant, no except. Also, it can be constant and no except. Row range valid, row and column range valid. If row range and column range valid, then we can return this M array size t row times column. Else sed c error file name line and no line index out of range valid row range greater than row less than this m rows. Requested row. We copy once again. Valid column range. Column. Requested column. std abort. Now else block, we can just copy. I will copy once again. Paste. Constant. Now in linear algebra, ij, if j plus 1 is less than m columns, then we put this, otherwise empty string. os new line. Now we return. Make changes like this. Now let's test it. In this file, for auto I af base index I less than af row. So we have to implement row here. Size t rows. Constant. No except. Return this m rows. It can be inline. Columns. Now in matrix again, plus I. For auto j af index space j af columns plus j af ij I plus j. Now we display string af and there. Now start command prompt. dir cd 08 matrix 2 clang std c ++17 matrix .cpp ltbb malloc.cpp or c.exe. Hit enter. So Algebra 68. This is columns. Build again. Sorry, I made CPP here. Hit enter. Okay. C. What's wrong? This is empty. Here. Empty. I made a mistake. Fix like this. Build again. CLS. The values are wrong. In the matrix 2D HPP, I made some silly mistake. In this operator, it should be this columns, row plus column. And copy this part. Paste it here. Also, paste it here. Also, paste it here. We have to fix 4 places. Once here and here. We have to modify at 4 places. Build once again. CLS C. Now it works perfectly. Also, I will change it to start index. I will modify like this, and it can be context pair. In this file, it should be m start index. Fix like this, copy, start index. And in matrix, start index. Now let's build once again. CLS C. Now it works. I will fix like this and copy 4 times. 1, 2, 3. This is AS. This is AS. 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 This is SF. 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 This is SS. 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 We are testing all. Now using clang compiler once again. C. We will modify the size. 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, or 6, 5. Build once again. CLS. It seems to be working fine. 2 by 4, 4 by 5, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 6 by 5. 5 columns. Everything seems to be working. With the GNU G++ compiler also works. Microsoft compiler CD 08 matrix 2 CL EHSC SDD C++17 MD matrix.cpp TBB-enabled lib fe m.exe. Hit enter. I think this is causing the error. I will disable it. Hit enter again. Now it works. I don't know why it's causing the error. In the matrix stream TBB suppress message, and there this is defined one. The TBB suppress deprecated messages. It is defined to be 1. Hit enter. Now it's working. So I will remove this. Now let's test once again. Using GNU compiler, CLS-G, it works. Using Microsoft compiler, it works without error. In my next episode, we will implement scalar multiplication, scalar division. We will also use parallel algorithms. I will upload the complete source code to my website. You can click this link and download the complete source code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.